what I like about the Bowling Green College Republicans is that they are a really nice, fun, welcoming group of people that are always willing to lend you a helping hand if you need it. And the College Republicans is how I have met a lot of really great people and a lot of really great friends in my time at BGSU.
Hello, my name is David Mealy. I'm the president for Bowling Green State University's College Republicans. If you're interested in debating, having political discussions, or raising political awareness, College Republicans is a place for you, where you have the opportunity to make lifelong friends, make contacts with local politicians, and even have opportunities in the political field. We will be meeting at 8 p.m. Tuesday nights on Google Meets until further notice. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at mrdavid, David, at bgsu.edu. We hope to see you there and have a great day.